This week on Hunter's Prestige Builds, George sings terribly.
'Cause I'm on the road again. I can't wait to get on the...
Finds a log.
Found one.
And is entertained by some deployable side steps.
Look at that. Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of Hunter's Prestige Builds. My name is George and on today's video this customer's travelled all the way from Poland to come to us. He's travelled a long distance and he actually had a blowout on the way here, so lucky enough he had a spare wheel. So to all you f***ing idiots who remove the rear wheel and deface the iconic look of a Defender with a spare wheel on the back, stop doing it because you need them. Let's carry on with the rest of the video.
Whilst George calms himself down, let's take a look at the car when it first arrived to us yesterday morning.
Right, so quick overview of what's going on the vehicle build today. So the customer's obviously travelled all the way from Poland to actually have the work done to his car here at Hunter's HQ. So the reason why he travelled that far is he originally went into the main dealer and asked for deployable side steps to be fitted to his vehicle. So not only were they ridiculously expensive and also Land Rover couldn't actually supply the parts. So he's come to us to actually get that done. We have all the parts available and we have more stock coming very, very soon. So not only that, he's having a couple of other retrofits fitted on the vehicle, things like soft rear closed door. And we're actually going to do an ambient light extension kit and also put the smoke rear lights on there, which are all genuine Land Rover parts. Obviously the ambient light extension kit is an extension over the original retrofit. So there's lots of other things going on the vehicle today, including Hunter's exclusive products and one of our newest products that we've just released.
Nick, our experienced resident car whisperer, has just finished installing our flat-bottom Alcantara steering wheel. Not one to rest on his laurels, he dives headfirst into wiring up the front light package. We're talking a smoked front grille light and some exclusive Hunter's own LED side vents. Serious business. Meanwhile, at the back, the rest of the team are in full swing. They're swapping out the tail lights for genuine smoked ones and getting started on the expedition kit, including our sleek black deployable side ladder and timeless classic mud flaps, giving this Defender a new lease of life. Oh yes, it's all coming together splendidly. Right, if you caught our previous video, and if you didn't, there's a link popping up in the top right corner right about now. You'll know what we're up to. Here, you're witnessing our technician fit the brand new V2 rear spoiler. This isn't your run-of-the-mill aftermarket stick-on job. Oh no. This is a Hunter-designed OE-looking spoiler, and there's not a single piece of tape in sight. It's a complete replacement for the rear panel of your Defender. Just look at how sleek it fits. Honestly, nothing else even comes close. Now we've kept the pièce de résistance for last, the genuine deployable side steps. Now, this isn't a walk in the park, as George mentioned earlier. Dealers either refuse to touch this, can't get the parts, or charge a king's ransom to dissuade you. But here at Hunter's, we embrace the challenge. Availability of parts naturally hinges on Land Rover, but if you're interested, then look no further than Hunter's Prestige. Just look at the sheer number of parts involved in this retrofit. Unlike the more common fixed side steps, this setup needs wiring, the steps themselves, new plastic undertrays, new brackets, a brand new module, activation of the parts, and even precise cuttings of the existing undertrays, as you can see here. But every ounce of effort is rewarded by the final result.
We did.
You've locked him out.
Hello, mate.
Okay, mate.
I got an Uber for Josh.
Yeah.
No worries, mate. Get yourself buckled in.
Yeah, will do.
Okay, we are out on the shoots. We've taken the customer's car out. I thought now would be a great time to talk to you about this lovely steering wheel. So we fitted the Alcantara flat bottom steering wheel to this customer's car. Big upgrade in just comfortability of driving on the vehicles anyway. So interior wise, this build we haven't done a lot on the interior. It's got little things like little convenient things like the center console, twin wireless charger, and then obviously he's got a boot light in there as well, an LED boot light, which is very popular nowadays with all of our customers. They go hand in hand together. Just little things making the interior a little bit nicer. He's got an ambient light extension as well, which obviously adds the lighting to the footwell as well as the rear seats as well. It's a little bit nicer. Adds a little bit more lighting, and actually they're a little bit brighter. I didn't realise that the other day. And obviously the steering wheels are all heated steering wheel compatible. So if you do have a heated steering wheel, don't worry, you can still change your steering wheel because all of ours have the elements within it to transfer over. Now this is horrible because I'm driving a left-hand drive car on a right-hand drive road, and the corners are not nice. But it's made better because I've got this lovely steering wheel. So after 24 hours of it being in Hunter's HQ, this is what the vehicle looks like now. So, little walk around of what we have done to the car. So as you can see, we have put deployable side steps on this vehicle rather than the fixed side steps that a lot of customers do go for. Currently they're in roof access mode, so that's why they are fixed out and actually not deploying back in. What we'll do now is just show you loads of different modes and different functions of the deployable side steps. Right, so as you can see on the EP30 screen, when you get deployable side steps, you get a new little menu on there. So you click deployable side steps, you get two different operations now. So you have roof access, which is there in currently. So the side steps actually stay deployed constantly. And then you have off-road mode as well. So off-road operation is for when you're taking it off-road, then stops it from being damaged. And obviously they do give you a warning to not use deployable side steps when you are on different terrains, because obviously you can get them damaged. But you can turn them on and off like so, and they'll deploy from the button. So not only are the deployable side steps really cool and really stylish, they also have the functionality of obviously getting in and out of the vehicle. There's also some pretty smart safety measures that Land Rover have put in place for these side steps, which I'm going to show you now. Found one! I am Rambo! It's heavy. It's too hot for this. So Land Rover deployable side steps have a safety measure in place. So if there's any sort of obstruction or if it feels too much pressure when you actually open the door, they actually don't deploy properly, as you'll see now. So I put a log there and stopped it. And it stops every single time. So the main reason for that is, say if you're parked too close to the curb or there's a really, really high curb when you actually try and get out of the car, as soon as you open the door, it will notice that there's a curb there and then bounce back to stop itself from getting destroyed. This customer is also showcasing one of our new products that you may have just seen the fitment video out. If you haven't seen that video, it's just up here now. He actually originally came in for one of our version 1 spoilers. After seeing the version 2 and how much more sleek and OEM it looked, he actually changed that on his build spec. Glad he did, because it looks absolutely amazing on the car, and the brake light looks really, really nice at night also. So towards the back of the car, what else did we do to the vehicle? So we added reverse lights. He's gone for our V3, so it's back to basic. It is just a V3, just reverse lights. There's no indicator function or brake light there as well. We've also changed his OEM red rear lights to the smoked genuine Land Rover ones, which just go really, really nicely with the Carpathian grey and the gloss black theme of the vehicle. We've added a V2 checker plate tailgate strip. Really, really nice to have it on there. It just completes the whole theme of the car. It just looks really, really good, fitted on the vehicle, protects it from anything coming in and out of the vehicle. Talking about taking things out of the boot and actually being protected by the V2 checker plate tailgate strip, we've also retrofitted the soft close onto this vehicle. As you can see, we have a Hunter's brand new box in here, which is lovely and now illuminated due to the V2 boot light that we've actually put on this vehicle. So if you're taking anything heavy out of the car, like a big box, and you're actually struggling to shut the door, it actually just assists the shutting of the door just to make sure it's fully closed, like so. Just make sure that the door's locked if you're taking anything in and out of the boot. We've also added genuine Land Rover mud flaps to the vehicle, and he's also added a deployable side mounted ladder. He's actually gone from matte one to match the matte PPF on the vehicle, as well as his side decal, which is travel never ends. So towards the front of the vehicle, the customer's actually opted in for a Hunter's Prestige light package. So he's got a smoked LED grow light. He's also gone for the LED side vents. He's gone for the Hunter's Prestige ones. We have just added the Union Jack ones to our stock list. So you may see them now on the website. So a lot of people don't like to have Hunters on the vehicle, but obviously now you have the option to have the Union Jack on there. Not only that, we've added the V2 bonnet inserts, which again are now back in stock. These are really, really popular, guys, so get in contact with us to order these as soon as possible. So inside the vehicle, we have added a little bit of touch in there. Obviously the vehicle is very, very high spec as it was, with a larger screen, digital display, and also heads-up display. We've added some creature comforts to the vehicle just to make the driving experience a little bit better, in the forms of a flat bottom Alcantara steering wheel. We've also added a twin wireless charger, retrofitted the sunglass holder back, so we have the smoked, and we also have the Oyster ones back in stock now, and we've also done an Ambilight retrofit. So that is the end of today's video, guys. I hope you like this build, and we really, really like doing this car. Thank you very much, Rafael, for bringing the vehicle all the way from Poland to us here in Thetford. If you like this build, please get in contact with our sales team. All of the products are now available, so get in contact with us if you're interested in having a build done. We really, really appreciate all of our European customers that travel all that way to come to us. We know it takes a very, very long time to get over to us, but we hope that the builds are definitely worth it when you actually get here. See you on the next video, guys. As always, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to stay up to date with what we're doing here at Hunters. See you next time.